Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can buy meme coins on Uniswap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And before starting, you have to make sure that your wallet is connected to Uniswap and funded with Ethereum. And this helps you to invest in new tokens safely and efficiently. So first, you will go to app.uniswap.org and then you will connect your wallet, and then once you're here, you will click swap under the trade section, and then just click that. And now you will select ETH in the first field, which is right here. And then what you will do, and then you will paste the meme coins contract address in the second field. So basically just paste it here. And then what you will have to do is after that you will check the token name symbol, and then the token name symbol, and then the decimals to ensure that it is the correct coin. And then you will enter the amount of ETH that you would want to spend and review the estimated token amount that you will receive. And then after that, you will click swap, and then you will confirm swap in your wallet and wait for the transaction to confirm on the Ethereum network. And then you will double check the gas fees before approving. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.